Hi, my name is Sam Dhanashekaran and welcome to this database lessons video series. In this video, we will talk about how to install SQL Developer. You might wonder while in this series, while I was talking about sys privileges and role privileges, why did I suddenly jump into SQL Developer? I thought if we install SQL Developer, it would be much easier for me to explain things in the sense using SQL Developer. I can also show you how to generate the SQL commands so that you can learn. You can do the same thing using the DBA database control, but then again, I thought SQL Developer would help you as well. So you need to go to downloads.oracle.com or go to oracle.com and then click downloads, and then I hope most of you might be having Windows 64-bit. Otherwise, download the version of SQL Developer which is appropriate to you. So I clicked this one and it downloaded the installation file, and I kept the file here. Okay, this is the file SQL Developer 64-bit. Okay, so again, let me repeat. Go to oracle.com, or you can just say download.oracle.com or downloads.oracle.com. I think it will redirect to this page where you click in the popular downloads. You will see SQL Developer. If not, just go there and look for SQL Developer. And once you come to this page and look and download the installation file which is appropriate to you. I have already downloaded it and I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna extract the files. It's gonna take a while. Meanwhile, let's go and see the installation notes. What does it say? The download does not include JDK. You can connect to and use any JDK 1.6 and to install run. Ensure that you have JDK installed. If not, download here. Okay, so it needs JDK. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Okay, it's installing. Okay, so the extraction is done, and it went to this folder, and that's it, I guess. So let me see if it needs JDK or not. Okay, so it looks for JDK. So let me go to this page. How I got to this page, which is basically, I clicked the installation notes here, and then it opened a new tab, and then it says ensure you have JDK installed. Okay, if not, download from here. So I'm clicking that. Okay, let me go to the latest one. Okay, I'm accepting, and mine is Windows 64. Okay, I'm gonna run it. It's gonna take a while. Okay, since I clicked run after download, it's installing. Okay, it's going to program files Java JDK 1.7. So this I need to note down. Okay, see program files Java JDK 17017. Okay, installation done, and JRE goes there. Okay, it's asking me to create an account and everything. Okay, I'm gonna close it. So now, okay, so now I'm going back to this SQL developer.exe file which was extracted. I'm going to run it. Okay, so it's asking me the full path name for the java.exe, which I know it's in this JDK. Okay, I'm just doing a copy. I'm doing a paste. Yes. Skip this message. Yes. File association. Let me bring the screen here. Okay. I don't want any tip of the day. And that's it. Let me explain how do I connect to the database that I just installed. What I can do is go to the Oracle home, which is app sam product DB home, and then I can go to this network admin. Okay, here if you see there is this file tnsnames.ara. I will talk about this later, but then this got created when we created the database. Okay, so this is used for the SQL Plus program or any program to connect to the database. Okay, like a connection string. So I'm gonna select that. I'm gonna select this SQLnet.ara. Just copy this, and I'll not to the JDK folder and not to this folder either. Here, copy those files here, tnsnames.ara and SQLnet.ara. So now here I come back, and then I can choose a new connection. Under new connection, I just chose DNS names. Okay, so it will list me the database. Okay, I'm gonna call it again demo db, the name of the connection. I know the username is Sam, and I think I kept the password also Sam, but then again you can keep it whatever you want. Success. Okay, I'm just saving the password and everything. I save the connection. Okay, so here it creates demo db. Okay, so the reason I saved the password and I saved the connection is next time when I invoke SQL Developer, I'm going to click cancel now. Next time when I invoke SQL Developer, the connection detail will show up here, and then all I need to do is just click it. It will connect because the username and password are saved. So once I do that, I would be able to go into the database, I think. Okay, this is the reason I wanted to show, because it would be much easier to show you couple of things here. Okay, for example, I can just do a right click and click new table, and then so it creates a table called table 1 under my schema. But the important thing is, like, and I can show you the detail, like, how it works. I can show you the command create table 1. It creates those things automatically. So from now onwards, I will be using SQL Developer. I'm going to go to the database control also, but the thing is, using SQL Developer, it would be easier for me to show the commands that are actually